A good night's sleep is undeniably quite essential for both our physical and mental health. It not only helps rejuvenate ourselves and prepare us for the next day's ventures, but also has an important role in keeping our immune system healthy. But some of us find it really hard to go to sleep after being in bed for several minutes, or maybe hours. In fact, some people can't fall asleep until they gulp in a handful of tablets or sleeping pills. And if you are one of those, we have something very special and a natural home remedy that can help you sleep like a baby within 5 minutes. All you need to do is drink just a half cup of kefir before going to bed. One of the best things about kefir is that it typically has several times more gut microbes than ordinary yogurt, roughly 5 times. Not just that, it has almost 10 to 50 different strains of friendly gut microbes than ordinary yogurt, which has just around 3 to 5 strains. And above all, the friendly microbes in kefir, including yeast and bacteria, tend to consume lactose sugar from the milk as a food. This makes it easier to digest, especially for individuals with lactose intolerance. And while it doesn't mean it won't cause any symptoms in lactose-intolerant people, it means such people may have fewer and lesser symptoms than they would have with drinking dairy milk. How kefir helps you sleep better. You might be wondering how consuming fermented foods like kefir can help you sleep better. Or what is the connection between our friendly gut microbes and sleeping like a baby? Let's see how. But before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Our friendly gut microbes play a role in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that's mainly responsible for mood, sleep, and appetite. Do you know that almost 90% of all the serotonin in the body is produced with the help of our gut microbes? They do so by breaking down dietary fiber and other complex carbohydrates into a certain amino acid, known as tryptophan. Our body needs this amino acid to produce serotonin, the legendary feel-good neurotransmitter. This serotonin acts locally within the gut to facilitate the movement of food, all the way from the mouth to the colon, until it's out in the form of poop. Some of it is also released into the bloodstream and travels to the brain, where the pineal gland uses it to produce melatonin, the hormone that kind of communicates to the body that it's time to sleep. Together, these neurotransmitters contribute to the reduction of stress levels or cortisol hormone, improving mood and inducing feelings of being calm and relaxed. Another way that our friendly gut microbes contribute to our brain health is how they improve the health of our gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis is a network of nerves that carry the communication between our brain and our gut. High stress levels or cortisol hormone tend to disturb this mechanism, due to which you may feel stomach distress when you are mentally distressed. However, our friendly gut microbes also help our body produce and regulate other neurotransmitters necessary to maintain the health of the gut-brain axis. Eventually, this also helps your body maintain a proper circadian rhythm or sleep cycle, so that you can sleep peacefully at night when you need it the most. How to prepare kefir at home. Let's take a look at how you can prepare kefir as a drink that helps you sleep like a baby. It's very simple actually, and takes roughly 4 minutes to prepare. Add 1 tablespoon of kefir grains to a jar of 1 to 2 cups of milk. You can easily buy kefir grains from the market. Don't worry, these are not wheat grains. You can think of them as a little group of friendly microbes that carry out fermentation in the milk. Cover the jar with a cloth and keep it at room temperature. It takes almost 24 hours to ferment. You can make 2 portions from it. Drink half of it before going to bed and add more milk to the rest of it to make more kefir for the next day. One more thing, if you are lactose intolerant, then it's best to use goat's milk rather than cow's milk or any other variety of your own choice. Also, try to not consume it too much. Experts say that drinking 1 to 3 cups of kefir daily should be fine for most lactose-intolerant individuals. But for the safe side, start from a small dose, almost a half cup, and see how your body reacts to it. If the symptoms are too severe, you should at once drop the idea of consuming it and look for other healthy ways to get your dose of probiotic microbes. You can also consider having liquid supplements of probiotic microbes, as per the advice of your health specialist. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.